Pakita nga! Saka nga! Ano yung dapat? Sura niya. Rampa ka! Hindi, gusto niya. I-prank mo naman yun. Bago kami mag-perform mamaya.
Talaga yung chance natin to bring it out there. Kasi Filipinos are one of the greatest performers at all time.
Are you ready? And go! Uy, ba't wala?
What the dog doing? Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Kaya kaming dalawa ni Ate Jo, kasi tatawanan kaming dalawa, nagnanakawan kami. Example, sinunod mo, ano yung sinunod yan?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Pinaka-challenge talaga is yung mahanap namin yung surf fabcon. Hanap namin yung surf fabcon. And si Ate Maloy, siya yung nakahanap. Girls, nahanap ko na! I found it. It's in the shade of blue. Ang makaka-catch ay blooming sa bango. Yung mga iba, hindi. Pinawan ako sa payan! And Mika! Sino mananalo? Ready? Go! Pagod na ako, guys! Lubog! Grocery ni Kayo! Lubog! Kaya! Lubog! Kaya! Break it down, yo!
And our winner for this challenge is...
Pinagbigyan lang kita. First time ko ito manalo sa mga games if I'm against Mika. So, yay! For a change, diba? And kahit pawisan, sobrang bango pa rin. Bango!
Gwen and Maloy. Ready? Go!
Why are you running?
Uy, dalawa lang!
Colette, ibalik ang basket sa likod.
Isa-isa lang!
Araw-araw
Balik-balik kami. Pangit naman ang tupi mo. Ayoko na ito, ang hirap tupiin. Huwag mo akong guluhin.
Why are you running?
Ako na-distract si Joanna, sinusundan ako. Umalis ka! Basta Huwag mo ako guluhin! Katupi ko. Wow, baby, you're so good. You want help? Guys, wala nag-cheer sa akin. Wala akong narinig. Uy, huwag kayo magulo, girls. Naiinis ako. Uy, huwag mo ganyanin, Nick. Pinaghirapan ko yan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up! And our winner for this challenge is... Maloy!
First of all, I would like to thank my surf family, hello pala, mali. My Beanie family, the Blooms, charing.
Joanna and Sheena. Ready? Go!
She, agawin mo si Jo, agawin mo. Joanna, ayusin mo. Actually, ang hirap po huminga. Kasi yung damit niya hanggang dito lang. Ayusin mo kasi! Tawa kami ng tawa kasi sobrang bulky na nung clothes sa amin. Patong-patong.
10,
Diba, last 5 seconds na lang. Feeling ko, it's not enough. Nagpasok ko lang ng isa, tapos nag-ano ko, headscarf.
Hands up! Bitawan ng mga damit. Time to count the shirts.
Sobrang bango! Yung damit ko parang walang nangyari. It's a girl!
Damit number 15.
Lana, talo na ako! Tanggalin niyo na ako!
And our winner for this challenge is Sheena.
I won! Come on! You won better!
Will our 3 winners please move forward?
Congrats!
Iboto kung sino sa inyo ang may pinaka-blooming bango pa rin na damit kahit pawis.
I think it's Sheena. Kasi siya lang yung maamoy ko dito.
Well, feeling ko naman, same level sila.
Kasi pare-pareho ng gamit nila.
Yeah.
Walang mas angat, lahat pantay. Walang mas angat, lahat pantay.
Alam niyo, kahit puro games yung ginawa natin, parang sobrang fun lang.
Mas
sobrang
carefree
enjoy.
tayo. Parang nalalabas natin yung natural natin.
Yeah.
Nakapaglaro kami, nakatawa ulit kami ng sobrang lakas. I think I will treasure this moment, yung mga tawanan namin, yung mga sigaw namin. This will all will be in our heart. 5, 6, 7, go! Serve, sir. Serve, sir.
Hindi kayo pinaka-competitive.
Hindi naman. Actually, guys, deep inside, it's me. Aso ko dati, after Fabcon, babanlawan mo pa.
Wala na yung
Kaya pala.
Thank you, sir! Sino siya? Si Baba. Oh my gosh. We're meant to be Baba.
Happy ice cream pagbukas tilapia. I'm so happy, sarado ang palengke. Everybody watch out, the storm is coming your way. Warning signs and flashing lights, all of the cliches.
Ay, alak. Taka lang. Did I lock myself? Malamang. Ako'y nasa loob eh. So this is my dugay. Pangit yan, pangit. Hi, Munay! Ay, dugay. Dugay. Naman si Munay, ikaw sinusundan. Papakita ko nga. Teka lang. Pakita ko muna. Munay! Munay! Ayun. Bading talaga yung aso namin. Lalaki yan, pero gusto kay kuya. Munay! Come here! Ay, sus!
Dito umihinga.
Pinahiga sa kama! Ay! It's so dirty na! Wally!
Sige, sige. Wali.
Bakit takot na siya sa akin? Takot din ako sa kanya.
Chuchu!
Ayan! Sige, diyan ka magaling! Uy! 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 Kuya, huwag kasi! Palabasin mo. Sige. Okay lang yan. Side naman ni Amma yan pag natutulog. Mga ulap kaya walang problemang iisipin ba kung ikaw naman ang laging makakasama.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Flashback. Meanwhile.
Okay, 좋아.
First, 1, 2, 3.
Flashback.
I hope it's me.
Can you buy me ano?
Diin. Ayashi.
It's me, accidental supply. Tapos, hirap. Hindi. Ay,
Hey guys, can you watch Beanie for me real quick? Thank you.
Bye. Okay. Hi. Let's leave. Hi. Hello. Hi. Why did he leave this? Hi.
Can you turn it off?
My privacy feels invaded.
Turn it off. Ano gusto niyo kamay? Gusto ko Japanese.
Masarap pa yung Japanese.
Tikman yung queso de bola. Si Mika pala yun. Mika, isang queso de bola. Next naman dyan. Nagka-dance challenge kayo sa TikTok. So, pwede bang turuan nyo kami? Maganon. Dance itong dalawa.
Super easy lang po nung na po na nag-viral po sa TikTok. One. Na.
Ano ni 1,000? Tabo!
Oh my gosh, hindi po ako kumakain ng sisiw. Kasi ba't ko kakainin yung kapwa ko sisiw? Normally kasi, pag bumibili ako ng balot, si Stacy ang kumakain ng sisiw. Para di sayang. Pero kasi ngayon wala siya.
Wani.
What? Who?
Wani!
What's your group name? Group 1. Group 1. We're the Group A. Group A. How about us? Group B. After. Disqualified. We're gonna answer. Nakita ko. Sing it! Go! Cause the player's gonna play. And the hater's gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake. I shake it up. Wow. It's shaken off by Taylor Swift. Okay, trial round. Don't fight us.
There's such a difference.
Go then. No, you answer it. You answer. We'll give it to you. It's your time to shoot. 6, 7, go!
Hello from the other side.
She said hi. Hi from the other side. Let's support them.
To tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done.
No, she's not a group. Disqualified. Okay, hello by Adele.
Yeah. That's 2 points for Team B.
Next one.
Go for it.
You know that.
I know.
You can do this. I believe in you and your powers. We trained for many years for you to do this.
You raised your hand. No, Mika was like, Mika was raising her hand. 5, 6. Still gotta work. We don't know Adele na. Hello? I want more 5, 6.
But I'm gonna get work. You gotta go to work. And I'm gonna go to work.
What's the title?
Work.
No!
The actual words?
Joanna, that's your jam.
You gotta go.
Yeah, you got it. You don't gotta go. Oh, that's what we're saying. Also, no one got it?
No one gotta go to work.
No one will go to work.
Work from home. Nice.
Very punti pa yung damitan ni Sheila ngayon.
Medyo pa ako. Ay, aside pa. Na authenticity na, diba? Ano sa akin yung makeup ko? Saan kayo kakaya? To our bashers. Dede! Thank you. Sayo ka na. Baka mabash ako nito sa Twitter. Strong namin kasi. Nag-renew pa kami. Dede. We're strong. So, ito, anong talo?
Eh?